David Benavidez inamin na hindi normal na halimaw si Manny Pacquiao. 4 na Pinoy panalo, lahat knockout. So naging usap-usapan sa boxing community ang pahayag ng 2-division world champion na si David the Monster Benavidez sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Sa interview ni Benavidez, inamin niya 2 boxer lang daw talagang tinitingala nito nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ito gumawa ng pangalan sa sports na boxing. Walang iba kundi si Gennady Golovkin at ang ating pamansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Ayon kay Benavidez, marami naman daw siya idolo na boxer, lalo na sa old school boxing. Inamin nito na malaki daw talaga ang impact sa kanya ni Golovkin at ni Pacquiao kung ano man siya ngayon. Dito kay Golovkin talaga siya umano nahasa na maging halimaw. Sa tagal daw nito na naging sparring mate ni Golovkin, dito niya daw natutunan kung paano maging halimaw sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Yung tipong wala ka intention maawa at gusto mo lang talaga wasakin kung sino man ang kalaban mo. Ito talagang natutunan niya kay Golovkin.
So I was the main sparring partner for a reason. You know what I mean? I am who I am. And the first day we sparred when I was 15 years old. So I turn to look at Golovkin and he gives me, bro, the most killer look I've ever seen. I'm like, oh, fuck, I'm kind of scared to be honest with you. But I'm like, I'm not, if my dad thinks I can handle it, then fuck it, let's go. The reason why I know everything I know right now and why I'm so good is because his shots were so hard that you have to do things outside of your comfort zone. You have to learn defense, you have to learn head movement, you have to learn all this shit to not get hit.
Pagdating naman kay Pacquiao, walang masabi si Benavidez. Bata pa lang daw siya. Gusto na nitong maging Pacquiao. Si Pacman daw talaga ang tunay na definition ng isang totoong halimaw. Maliit lang pero walang pinipiling laban. Kahit sino daw iharap sa kanya lalabanan ito. Kaya ito daw talaga hanggang sa ngayon ang sinusunod ni Benavidez. Iniiwasan nito na maging cherry picker sa kalaban. Dagdag pa ng Mexican Monster. Akala daw ng iba ordinaryo lamang si Pacman. Pero ang totoo, hindi daw ito normal na fighter. Isa daw talaga itong halimaw na tao na pumunta sa boxing. Kaya hanggang sa ngayon daw, dala-dala pa rin daw ni David Benavidez ang natutunan nito kay Golovkin at Manny Pacquiao.
I can't give you those answers, to be honest with you. Manny Pacquiao is just a freak of nature. He's a beast. You know, he's one of the greatest fighters ever, you know, laced on a pair of gloves. You know, there's just, you know, that guy is just gifted. You know, there's something about him that a lot of 90% of the people will never have, you know. You know, that guy is just a legend. But
Samantala, isang magandang balita naman nga po para sa ating mga Pinoy boxing fans. Dahil lahat nagtagumpay ang ating mga pambato na lumaban at lumayo sa bansang Thailand kahapon na sila John Michael Solueta, Rocky Bactol, Alvin Dologuin at Mark Jason Almacen. At ang matindi pa dyan ay dahil tinalo nila lahat ng kanilang mga katunggali via knockout.